We're going to give a quick demonstration of Qradar and BigFix integration. So to the upper top we have our BigFix server. Down below it's integrated into the Qradar console, and off to the right we have a couple clients that are reporting vulnerabilities from the security compliance standpoint. We're going to filter in, see how they look in Qradar, then we're going to take action to actually remediate these systems with patches and see the results. Since Qradar is watching a large portion of our network, we have a lot of events in here, but we're going to use the filter capabilities to find exactly what we're looking for so we can demonstrate this vulnerability and patch process. We're able to find all our vulnerabilities reported by BigFix. Now let's find it on a specific client. Now that we can see the vulnerabilities on a specific client, we can see the MS number, the CVE scoring, and so forth. We're going to go look this up in BigFix and actually remediate. Over to the BigFix console, we can easily use its capabilities and filters to find the vulnerability we're looking for on that particular endpoint, and we can set action to remediate. Now that we found this particular patch, we can read about it, we see all the details in BigFix, the CVE scoring numbers, and so forth. We're now going to take action to actually deploy this patch to the endpoint. One of the great features of BigFix is that the agents do report in near real time. So as we see and looking at this console, we can see that the agent will start reporting in. For example, it's now evaluating that it needs the patch. It'll say it's running the patch installation, and this particular one I know it needs a restart, so it's actually going to tell us that. A great feature of BigFix, it does not call it complete until the system actually restarts. Because of our integration, if we look back in Qradar, we notice the vulnerabilities are still there, but look, we do know that it has been deployed, it's simply pending a restart. Switching our view real quick to the system that we just patched, we're now going to give it a restart. This will actually inform the agent that it restarted, the DLLs were swapped out, and we'll check what it looks like. Now that our VM is coming back up, as soon as it launches, we can go back into BigFix and validate that it now says fixed. Back over here in Qradar, we see the vulnerabilities have disappeared, but if we change our filter to look for patches that have been fixed or applied, we can see the patches on this endpoint and that they are actually applied to the system. So from an integration standpoint, we showed you that we can use BigFix with security compliancy to report in real time vulnerabilities on systems, integrating that inside of Qradar and being able to see inside of Qradar that you can obviously fix these patches with BigFix. We go out to the clients, deploy patches, the clients report in real time back to BigFix and to Qradar, and we have a complete closed loop monitoring solution.